There go the drapes.
Oh, strip view.
They gave us a strip view room. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Random Recess. Chris in a bed here.
We made it to the Wynn Las Vegas, and we're so excited. We can't wait to bring you along for this amazing recess.
Yeah, we have a lot of cool things planned. We have some good dinners, some cool bars to show you, and we're gonna go find our friends and surprise them. So come along.
Surprise!
What's up?
You guys.
What's up, man?
No, I just had a
All right, y'all, we found our friends. We surprised them. They had no idea we were coming.
Yeah, or maybe they did and they're just pretending they didn't, but either way, we found them and we're here, so.
Were y'all surprised?
Completely shocked. I thought it was my birthday. I thought, what's happening? And I thought he knew, but he didn't know.
I did not know.
He
So-
texted us. We thought you knew.
Best surprise ever.
Yeah.
Just made my whole year.
They didn't know that we knew that they knew we knew.
They didn't what?
They don't know that we know that they know we know. That's
All
right.
right.
And we definitely didn't know. So it was great. I mean, I turned around and saw you. I'm like, I'm not seeing what I'm seeing, but I. Is that? Yes.
So we're in 6. Which one are you in?
Right? Oh, yeah. These are the villas. Look at these.
Yes, we're in the Tower Suites lobby. Cullen and Lexi had some wedding pictures done here, and the koi here are beautiful.
How do we get rooms here? Huh?
Half a year.
Yeah? Oh, just $1.5 million? All right. All right, what are we off to now? I guess we're just waiting for our rooms, so.
Yeah. We're waiting to see Patrick Mahomes and Tom Brady walk through.
They asked us to meet them at the lounge.
That's right, yeah. So they asked you.
All right, y'all, when you check into the Wynn, if it's a little too early and the room's not ready, they will just text you once your room's ready, and then you'll go up to the express kiosk.
Yep, that's what happened. So we went and hung out a little bit, grabbed some drinks, dropped our bags off with the bell desk, and got a text. So we're gonna go grab our room and show you guys around. All right, we're headed up to the elevator and floor 38. And you got to do a little elevator dance.
Elevator dance.
Elevator dance. All right.
Oh, my ears are popping.
Mine too.
Woo. We're here in a newly renovated Wynn Resort King room. Looking around here, the colors have been updated. There's a lot of new furniture. The colors are just really beautiful. Moving over here, this is where Chris and I have been working. 2 people are able to work here. Plenty of desk space. Everything in the room is connected through Alexa. Sorry for calling that out. We're not talking to you. Okay. Everything here has to be essentially designer. So when you come to the Wynn, which I believe has won like the 5 Diamond Award, multiple 5 Diamond Awards for many years, you just come to expect a certain level of high quality material. So the bed here is super comfortable. Again, charging cables on both sides. You won't have any issues. You're able to charge all your devices and have an amazing night's rest. The TV here, the TV console is really beautiful. This is definitely an upgrade from what was at the Wynn previously. This is a really neat feature. Your glasses, they do actually give you glasses. No plastic cups in that little plastic bag, so you get actual cups, and it comes in this drawer. This tablet here controls everything that you need for the room, controls your thermostat, controls the drapes, and of course you can just ask you know who, and she'll control pretty much everything except the TV. Really deep closet. I leveraged the closet this time. Chris put everything in the drawers, in a safe, and you know it. You're watching Random Recess, what's the first thing we check for? It comes off. Giant mirror here right in the foyer. It does go from tile to carpet. To me, the bathroom is the room that's been upgraded the most. What I really like about this bathroom is that it's a grown-up's bathroom. And there's enough space for both Chris and I. So if you're here with 2 people or more, let's say you even have, maybe 2 kids, you're gonna be just fine. This is a really nice touch. You've got towels, amenities here. They give you polish, should you feel inclined to polish your own shoes. And these are leather mats on each level of the shelf. Great sinks, that's been upgraded. I didn't partake in the tub, but I've heard nothing but great things about it. All right, I'm a big guy, so I'm able to come into this shower. Plenty of space, moving around. There's even a seat. What I love about the Wynn is that their showers have amazing water pressure. Almost too good because it feels like it's gonna cut your skin. So one thing that I noticed that changed, if you've ever been in a Vegas hotel or any high-end hotel, you know what I'm talking about. The TV that's behind the mirror or just the TV in the bathroom, that's no longer here at the Wynn, but you do have additional outlets and a shelf. One thing that you'll see is that there's no phone. It's really dark in here. It's probably the wallpaper and the lighting, but there is no phone. So the Wynn has larger rooms than the Encore. The Encore is an all-suites hotel. We prefer the Encore just because it's quieter. So really depending on what you're looking for your trip, think about booking the Encore. The Wynn, again, the rooms are bigger. This is a standard Resort King, and it's massive. So that's something to consider when you're considering whether or not you want to stay at the Wynn or Encore side.
All right, guys, so we're on our way over to Lakeside for dinner, but before then, our reservation isn't for another hour or so we're gonna grab some cocktails at the new Aft Bar, which is down by what used to be the old Parasol Down Bar, right by the Lake of Dreams. So we're gonna go check it out. It just opened, and get some cocktails before dinner.
Which is why we're wearing our nautical themed shirts.
That's
I'm
right.
wearing anchors, and Chris has got sailboats.
That's right, so it kind of matches the theme for tonight. We're going to the Aft Bar, and we're gonna eat at Lakeside, so we got our maritime shirts on.
All right, let's go check this out.
Yeah, let's see what they have. All right, so we got our names on the list for Aft. There's a couple parties ahead of us, so while we wait, we decided to sit down here at Bar Parasol, which is the inside bar, right as you come off the escalators. It's really cool. It's still nautical themed. All of their drinks are sort of themed as to port of calls, and they're all kind of reflective of whatever port that is. So like the Cozumel is a spicy margarita, and then the Con is a champagne drink, so that's pretty neat. I went ahead and got the Catalina, which is a Verde Bloody Mary. It's Grey Goose vodka, Ancho Reyes Verde Chili liqueur, house-made heirloom green tomato Bloody Mary mix, green apple, pineapple, and seaside accoutrements. So we'll see how it is. All right, so the drinks came. They are so cute. They look so good. Mine has a whole scrimp in it, and a watermelon radish. It's really beautiful. So let's give it a taste. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. It's an interesting take on a Bloody Mary because it's kind of the green chili as opposed to the normal tomato based. It's a green tomato. So, and there's some fruit in here too, which is interesting. Kind of gives it a little balance of sweet and heat. And if you've ever had like verde salsa in a Mexican restaurant, it's reminiscent of that. It's got the green chilies. It's very good. Not too spicy. Really well balanced. And a delicious drink. Really, really good.
All right, also at Bar Parasol, they also have small eats. They've got this really cute food menu. So if you're interested, we're gonna eat later, so we're not gonna partake in that. But I got the Rio de Janeiro, which essentially is passion fruit liqueur, Madagascar vanilla, lemongrass, ginger, and lime, and some other ingredients I can't pronounce. But it just sounds amazing.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna take a sip. You can't taste the alcohol at all. You can't taste any of the liquor. It's really sweet and tart, and these bobas are absolutely delicious. It's like a burst of fruit juice. So when you get one of those with the rest of the drink, it's just fabulous. Plus, you're drinking out of this really cool blue tiki fish. How long have y'all been open?
We've been open for like a month and almost 2 months now.
All right, so we made it outside to the Aft Lounge. And let me tell you, it is gorgeous out here. It feels like you're on the back of a yacht, for real.
Yeah.
Everything's so nautical themed. The seats look like they're straight out of Richard Branson's yacht or something.
Including our shirts. Look at that.
Including our shirts. We came appropriately dressed.
Right.
But you're sitting right on the Lake of Dreams, so when they do their show, you have an excellent view. Let me tell you, it feels amazing outside today in Vegas. It's
Yeah.
about 80 degrees.
I was just about to say, we chose the best time to come out here because this entire week, I think the forecast is 80s
Yeah.
all week.
Yeah, and no humidity, which is nice. So
Yeah. We just got off a cruise ship and it feels like we're just back on.
Yep. So we're gonna order some cocktails here in a second. Once we finish the ones we just ordered from the inside. All right, so round 2 came. They look just as gorgeous as the first round. I got the Cozumel this time, which is a spicy margarita made with Casamigos Reposado tequila, Caribbean pineapple and poblano chile liqueurs, caramelized pineapple juice, habanero infused agave, lime, mango chili sal de flor, and it looks fantastic. I can't wait to dive in. That's really good. It's a spicy margarita, and you can't taste the tequila at all. So definitely a chugger.
All right, so I ordered the Con drink, which is Grey Goose essence strawberry, lemongrass vodka, French rhubarb, fresh lemon, strawberry, and berries. And it comes with this like really cool foam, which is like a sweet foam. Here it is, actually. Magic of television. All right. Wow, this is the best drink I've ever had. This is like Hawaiian punch on steroids. This is so good. If you like fruit punch, if you like anything fruity, this is it. All right, y'all, we just finished up.
At the Aft Cocktail Lounge, and drinks were amazing. Now it's time for dinner at Lakeside.
All right, y'all, we're in the holding area waiting for our table at
Lakeside. Yep. And so Lakeside is a seafood restaurant. They're known for their super fresh fish. They have live langoustines, awesome shellfish, king crab, lobsters. And they also fly all their fish in from around the world. So they have like mahi-mahi from Hawaii and halibut from Alaska. Oh, wow. That one is really good.
How's the breadstick?
Amazing. It's warm, buttery, delicious, salty. Really good bread. All right, so the appetizers have arrived. I got the chili rubbed, char grilled octopus, and love grilled octopus. Delicious, and this looks amazing. So what this is it has pickled lemon, garlic aioli, baby potatoes, and arugula. And again, it's chili rubbed and char grilled, so looks fantastic. We'll give it a go. A little bit of everything here. It's a little kick, but it's really good. Very tender, not chewy at all. There's a nice crust on the outside. I approve.
All right, Chris got something fancy with octopus. I got shrimp cocktail. There's much to see here, but the lemon comes in this little hairnet. Look, and you can just squeeze it over.
Classic.
Classic. That's how you know you're in a fancy joint. 'Cause you got the hairnet over it, so none of the seeds come out. I don't know where they get their shrimp from, but I mean, they're huge.
Probably from the ocean.
No, but which one? And this is, it's tender, perfectly cooked. It's not,
Is that?
it's not chewy. It's perfect.
All right, so the main entrees came. They look fabulous. I got the New Zealand Big Glory Bay King Salmon, and it comes with orange miso, curried eggplant caviar, and a king trumpet mushroom. We also got a side of cast iron mushrooms and whipped potatoes, I think. Those are just regular whipped potatoes. And what did you get? You got the mahi mahi?
Mahi, yeah. Just one mahi.
Just one mahi, you weren't hungry? So let's try the salmon. The salmon. All right, let's taste. Okay, first off, the fish is delicious. But the curried eggplant is Really, really good. You have to like curry though. If you don't like curry, you're not gonna like this. But yeah, the flavor from the curry, a little bit of that miso, really, you know, the curry's a little spicy, the miso's a little sweet. Complements the fish really, really well. It's a really, really good dish.
All right, so I got the wild Hawaiian mahi mahi, which comes with a carrot, salad, candied ginger, dill, and lemongrass. And it's just one mahi.
So you're not that hungry.
Just not that hungry. Do y'all know the reference?
Yeah. Comment down below if you do.
Right. Mahi mahi. I just want one mahi. By the way, that is a great movie. I've had this before. I don't know what it is about Hawaiian mahi mahi, but it's flaky. It reminds me, like, it's just a better salmon. It's like real meaty. And this, the carrot slaw and this ginger puree are, you know, kind of tangy, a little spicy, but nothing you can't handle. Tastes like chicken. So when you're at Lakeside Restaurant or SW Steakhouse, you can see some shows playing at Lake of Dreams here at the Wynn. All right, y'all, we just finished up at Lakeside. It was an amazing meal with amazing friends.
So good. Definitely highly recommend Lakeside. It is absolutely fantastic. But we are tired. We have had a long day. We have work in the morning, so we're gonna be good boys and we're gonna go to bed. But we have an exciting day tomorrow. After we finish work, we're gonna go to Resorts World, check out that, maybe go to a couple bars over there, and we have dinner at Carver Steak. So stay tuned, and until next time, we'll see you guys on the next recess. So if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe, and definitely share it with your friends. We appreciate all the support.
All right, y'all, we'll see y'all later.
All right, bye.